Hi guys, we have huge news today. Tesla invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. At the end of Q4 2020, Tesla had approximately $19.3 billion of cash and cash equivalent on its balance sheet, and it chose to invest almost 8% of that cash and cash equivalent into Bitcoin. It is huge news in the cryptocurrency community. Tesla also indicated that it could begin accepting Bitcoin as a payment for its products, for its cars. That could potentially increase Bitcoin value on Tesla's balance sheet. This is huge news, and it proves that Bitcoin has gained a lot of recognition from corporate America. And we're going to take a look at the technical analysis for both Bitcoin and Tesla and see where the stock could go from here, or the crypto could go from here. We're also going to take a quick look at Microstrategy, which is a big name in Bitcoin investment. So let's get right into it. But first, if you're new to the channel, I would love for you to smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I talk a lot about investing, personal finance, money management, and the various stock analysis out there, both technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So I look forward to creating more video for you, and I would appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel.
The daily chart for Bitcoin. It is currently sitting at all-time high of 45,500, but right now it is around 44,255. So it's about 1,200 below all-time high. From the daily pattern, we can tell that Bitcoin retraced a little bit recently to about 29,700 and then continued to go up, and today it did break out in with the catalyst of Tesla buying $1.5 billion of Tesla. If we're taking a look at the weekly chart, it also breaks out today. It's only Monday, so very early in the week, so it's hard to say what the week will end, but this is a breakout pattern. It could potentially surpass 45,500. It is extremely bullish right now. Let's take a look at the hourly chart really quick. So as far as the hourly chart, it did break out around 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern time today. It has been consolidating on the hourly for a few days now. So everything is consistent with the bullish pattern. I'm not concerned about this red candle here. It's still going okay. So the next day, it has the potential as high as 49,900. But it could also retrace to about 47,700 or 39,000. So these are all the pivot points to look for. But right now, Bitcoin is very bullish and could potentially break out further. Tesla is still in consolidation pattern. Once again, the range for it to move in between for the weekly bull flag or the daily bull flag to be intact is 804 and 884. So far, it's still within this range with one dip below it to 779 a couple days ago or last week. It is still pretty much in the consolidating pattern. It is heading toward 884. Once it surpasses 884 and get to 900, which was the last all-time high, we should see another spike. We have to wait for the right catalyst, and I don't know what that is. It could be delivery number in Shanghai. It should be very good number. Released sometime in February, because the Model Y started delivery there. But it could also be other energy incentives in the U.S. Or additional Bitcoin purchases. We don't know that, right? But right now, Tesla is still looking very bullish as far as chart is concerned. Let's also take a look at MicroStrategy, MSTR. This is a company that has been investing a chunk of its cash in Bitcoin. The CEO is very bullish on Bitcoin. The company held a webinar on February 4th, last Thursday, to talk about Bitcoin. Interestingly, SpaceX Treasury department also attended that Bitcoin webinar. So it was very clear that Elon was very interested in Bitcoin in general, but that was for SpaceX. So I'm not sure when Tesla made the decision to invest in Bitcoin. But here's MicroStrategy's chart. One thing to note is that the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is already at overbought right now. This is not going to continue to go up, I don't think. I think it's maxing out. It could have another day or two of run, and that's about it. There's a huge gap to fill between 928 and 805, which is the gap up for today. So this is very interesting to see what MicroStrategy will do. MicroStrategy clearly propelled the recent run in Bitcoin as well as a run today, and it also tracks Bitcoin very well. This is not a true reflection of MSTR fundamentals. This is simply tracking is cash against Bitcoin, and cash is only a portion of MicroStrategy's assets. So I would be wary if I'm a investor in MicroStrategy right now, because there should be a small retracement or even a correction coming for this company, as long as the fundamental doesn't change. There's no reason it should have run up this much. Having said that, if it does retrace, I might be looking at it a little bit further to see if there's an long-term investment opportunity because of its interesting position in Bitcoin. But that's it for MicroStrategy.
So that does it for this video. All we need to do is to wait for a catalyst for Tesla stock to continue to propel higher. At the same time, cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, is something that is here to stay. It could have a very good future for the next 3 to 5 years. ARK Invest has endorsed Bitcoin and has a decent amount of his asset invested in Bitcoin. So I'm also bullish in Bitcoin, even though I'm not completely heavy investing in Bitcoin at the moment. I'm still trying to understand the digital asset before I put a lot of money in there. But I will share with you my journey as I progress. Thank you very much, and hope you like the video.